Men of the Niger State Police Command have arrested a transporter, Abubakar Adamu, after 375 rounds of live ammunition, and 7 AK-47 magazines were allegedly found in his vehicle. The spokesperson of the State Police Command, Abiodun Wasiu, who disclosed this to newsmen, said Abubakar was intercepted in Silesia while driving a red Civic Honda car loaded with the ammunition. He told the police that he was part of a robbery and kidnap syndicate and that his role was transporting the group's weapons, after which he would be paid N150,000. During interrogation, the suspect confessed to being a member of a robbery and kidnap syndicate, with responsibility to transport arms and ammunition for the syndicate, Abiodun said. Abiodun added that the suspect would be charged to court as soon as possible while efforts are being made to apprehend other members of his gang.